Amazon Prime Video app, install and download an iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and download the Amazon Prime Video app on your iPhone. If you want to stream all your favorite movies and TV shows, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. The App Store is where you can find and download all the apps you need, including Amazon Prime Video. Now search for Amazon Prime Video. Now simply in the search result, look for the Amazon Prime Video app. It's from Amazon and should have the official Amazon logo. Tap on it to open the apps page. To install the app, simply click on Get button. If it's your first time installing the app, you may be asked to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download. Once you've confirmed, the app will start downloading and installing on your phone. And that's it. That's how you simply download Amazon Prime Video on your iPhone.